Ever found yourself stuck in myriads of video editing frustrations? Well, get ready to bid farewell to those woes, because your video editing journey is about to take a thrilling turn. In this practical video editing masterclass, we're going to unravel those secret techniques and simple steps to transform the raw clips on your smartphone into absolute professional gems like what you are watching right now. Hi, I'm Solomon, a professional video editor with over half a decade experience in the creative industry. I'm super fascinated to reveal the 5-step video editing blueprint, a secret so well kept. It's practically the holy grail of editing. You will also learn how to create professional voiceovers with secret free AI software and transform them into a masterpiece like what you are watching right now. You don't want to miss out on ending those daunting editing frustrations that make you doubt your creativity. So, grab that trusty smartphone of yours and let's embark on this editing journey together. Your adventure of creative confidence begins now.